What if you knew the exact moment at which users tend to disengage with your product? You could set up an email or remarketing campaign to recapture those lost users with a discount or showcasing new products that have been added since the last time they made a purchase. This information is available right now in Google Analytics. All you have to do is set up a cohort analysis report. Here's how to do it. Navigate to the audience icon in Google Analytics, select Cohort Analysis, and here's where you will set your dimensions and metrics. This will vary depending on what you're trying to achieve or what you're wanting to look at. For example, third quarter data is showing an increase in transactions, which is great news. But what happens when we examine the weekly cohorts per market during this period? Up here at the top, you can see that I've already segmented my markets. If you don't have these pre-programmed, you can create a new segment here. Cohort size, we want to look at the weekly cohorts. We're looking at the total revenue generated and the last 12 weeks, or the third quarter in this case. My top metrics here are going to be for the United States and then followed by Canada. So to read the cohort analysis report, you may see that while transactions increased overall, revenues declined in week 1 and then completely drop off for the most part here in week 3. So now we know we need to re-engage users in week 1, probably with a discount, and in week 3, showing them new products that have been added or new products that they may be interested in before they drop off completely. If we're unable to recapture these lost customers, we know that in order to maintain the level of growth you want as a company, you need to acquire new users every 3 weeks. Here in Canada, we see after that very first week, we lose them completely. So we need to recapture in that very first week. Or otherwise in Canada, in comparison to the US, we have to be gaining new customers every single week.